This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacie Powell. Well-kept and updated home in sought-after Upton Farms and Hickory School District. Large, private backyard with new cedar privacy fence. Gas furnace replaced, 2019, and new attic insulation. Replacement windows, 2018. Irrigation well pump replaced and sprinkler system serviced, 2019. Updated bathrooms. Spacious kitchen with lots of counter space. Bedroom number 4 is oversized room over garage with private staircase to kitchen, great space for rec room. For more information, review the details below.